Paste wax isn't as popular as it used to be for protecting wood surfaces, and there are two main reasons why. First, today's high-strength polyurethane finishes are water-resistant and extremely durable, but also paste wax can be a little tricky to apply. If you put it on too thick, it won't dry and it'll leave behind a sticky surface, and if you put it on too thin, of course, it won't provide any protection. So here's the trick. Take a piece of cheesecloth, cut it about 10 or 12 inches square, and make sure it's double layer. It has to be two thicknesses of cheesecloth. Then scoop up a bunch of paste wax and just put it right in the middle. What you're going to do is make a little pad of wax. You need a pretty good glob here, maybe a golf ball size, a little bigger. And then just twist the ends together, like so. What you end up with is a pad of wax, right? Now, in this way, you can use it in a circular motion. Usually takes a few seconds for the wax to start coming out, but there, see that? When you get that nice surface like that. Now this is great for protecting finished and unfinished wood surfaces, but also leather and metal too.